do a quick dip powder mani for you. I have put some almond shaped extensions on my fingers with builder gel, and now I'm going to put some dip powder over top of them. So I wanted to show you guys these new dips that I got. They're cut from Glitter and Grace, which I've shown Glitter and Grace on my channel before, and I just love her dips so much. The owner's name is Tammy, and she's just so sweet. So she just has the most beautiful dips on her site. It's on Etsy, so I'll link that down below for sure. So the first dip I have, and I went ahead and swatched them so you guys could see them, but I did get this, and I really wish I would have gotten it in a bigger size, so I might have to go back and get it. But this one is called Lavender Frost, and this is what it looks like, and this is what I'll be putting on my other hand. I have to be professional at work, so my hands have to match for now, and that's okay. And then I got Hollow Gorgeous. I got actually two that have the word hollow in them. So Hollow is this amazing, gorgeous, fine glitter dip. And it looks like this one. So there's that one. You see that? It's very pretty fine glitter. Then I got Hollow at the Moon as well. And it is a chunkier, more of a purpley based hollow, and it has some iridescent flakes as well in it. So there's that one. I really like that one. This one is Grace. I'm assuming this is one that is from where her name comes from, and it has some really pretty iridescent flakes in it, purple iridescent flakes. And Grace looks like this swatched. Very beautiful. Then I also got one called Snow Pearl, which is like a really pretty shimmer white. I never feel like I have enough light colors, especially I have some whites, but I don't love them, so I wanted one that was a little bit different. So this is the Snow Pearl, and you can't really pick up the shimmer, but there is a slight shimmer to that one. So today I'm going to be doing this mani. Don't mind my flaming red cuticles. They're so bad. Oh my gosh. It's been a while since I've touched them. So anyway, I'm going to put them on this hand just so they match. So yeah, enjoy while I do this. To start off my mani, I'm going to be using my Sparkle & Co. Low Scent Base Coat. And I'm going to be applying this beautiful lavender dip from Glitter and Grace to my thumbnail, my pointer finger, and my pinky nails. I'm using this dotting tool to clean up my cuticles. It's a very thin dotting tool. I wouldn't recommend using anything too fat because you don't want that area to be too wide around your cuticle, but you do want to make sure you get the powder and the glue away from the skin. I apologize for not being super in picture with some of these steps. I'm obviously out of practice with filming myself doing my nails, so there are so many times when I am out of frame. Now I'm going to be applying this gorgeous Snow Pearl Dip Powder from Glitter and Grace to my ring finger, and I am going to have this be my accent nail. And later on in the video, I will show you how I apply a water decal over the top of this nail. For my middle finger, I will be applying the Grace dip powder, which is that gorgeous glitter dip. And it is a very chunky mix. I shouldn't say chunky. It's a mix with some chunky and some fine. It's a really great combination of glitters. So you will have to make sure that you pat the glitters down flat so that they're not sticking up. And then I will later go in with my dotting tool and add some extra sparkle. I'm now going in with a second coat on every nail so that I can make sure to build up the nail and make sure that the dips are not too see-through. One thing that is important to do when you are working with a glitter mix is to pour it out and tap down the mix so that the fine glitters fall at the bottom and the chunkier stay on top. And then after you have applied your base coat to your nail, lay it flat on top of those glitters and you will have a lot better coverage. And now to add some more dimension to my nails, I decided I'm going to do a glitter fade on all of my lavender nails, starting at the cuticle and kind of fading towards the tip. So to do this, I apply the base coat to the bottoms of my nails and then use a brush to sprinkle the glitter around the bottom of the nail and then kind of fade it up. And to give it a little bit more depth and dimension and more like a fade, I'm going to also use my dotting tool to add individual glitters as well. I'm then going to clear coat all of my nails to protect them for when I file. You especially need to make sure you clear coat your glitter nails, and I'm just using Mia Secret cleared acrylic powder to do that. Once I've capped all of my nails with my clear powder, I am then going to use my Sparkle & Co. Solidify to make sure that I harden all of the powders. I'm going over these nails twice to make sure that it gets through every single layer. After my nails have been activated, I am going to go in with my nail drill. I'm just going to really make sure I clean up that cuticle area. I'm not going to focus too much on filing the rest of the nail, but I am going to use this diamond bit to hit that cuticle area just to make sure that it really is clean and nice. After filing around my cuticles with my nail drill, I then go in with a 100 nail file to smooth and shape the nails even more, making sure that I do not have any bumps or ridges left on the nails before I go in with my base gel. I'm dropping a water decal into some water, and then I'm going to go in with my Sparkle & Co. base gel to all of my nails. I'm going to make sure to flash cure my thumbnail first. That way the base gel does not pool in my sidewalls, which will happen if you let it sit there for too long. I'm now using the silicone part of my dotting tool to pick up that water decal and apply it to my nail. I'm just going to apply it right over top of the base gel. That way it has something sticky to cling to. And then I will definitely go back over and make sure it is patted down and it's not sticking up at any point. I'm then going to use my Sparkle & Co. top coat to finally coat all of the nails and make sure that I flash cure that thumb again before going in on any of the other nails. The final step, and maybe even the most important step, is to apply cuticle oil to all of my cuticles and my surrounding skin area. This is really going to make sure that my skin is nourished and moisturized, especially since I haven't touched my cuticles in quite a while, so they're pretty inflamed and they're pretty raw from messing around with them so much. And here is a final look at how my manicure turned out. I'm really happy with how it looks, and for being such a long time of doing my nails, I don't think I did too terrible. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that maybe you possibly even learned something. Make sure to leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up because that always helps my channel, and subscribe so that I can catch you in the next video. Bye guys!